Yo, what's good, guys? So today I'm gonna be installing my S2K, my Skunk 2 exhaust on my S2K. I got it for a pretty good deal, so yeah, that's why I bought it. And I actually liked how it sounded. And I heard the drone isn't that bad. There's obviously there's gonna still be a little bit of drone. It's aftermarket. What can you expect? But I'm gonna be getting that, and also have a test pipe that I'm gonna be installing. I have it's a generic brand, but yeah, I got that for a really good deal. Up in it's like an hour away from where I live. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing both of those. And right now I'm about to head to the mall and we're about to just hang out with my friend and see what's up. We're gonna get some Christmas presents, and yeah, for our family. And I have to get a couple Christmas presents too, because the holidays, bro. You feel me? I gotta get my whole family something. But yeah, I'm gonna go get that. And yeah, hopefully everything goes well. Obviously, it might be a little bit of struggle because I'm gonna be working on the floor. So yeah, it might be a little bit of struggle. But fuck it, gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, and I just know, bro, it's gonna sound so good, exactly how I want it to, because I did my research of the Megan Racing and the Nvidias, the Q300, the N1, the G Ready, all of them. But I don't know, something about the Skunk one that I really liked, how the tone of it. I really liked how it sounded, and especially how it has the dual exhaust with the muffler tips at the end. It has a really nice shape, and yeah, I don't know, I just really like it. So that's why I went with that one, basically. And the test pipe is gonna make it even more louder. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out. I have no idea what to expect, but fuck it, you just do it. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to remind y'all that I'm gonna be dropping my merch soon. So yeah, just let me know, bro. Leave a comment down below, what colors you guys want to see. But you know that logo that's at the end of the videos? Yeah, basically it's gonna be that, and it's gonna have designs in the back, a nice design in the back. Basically, that's what's gonna be. So just let me know, just comment below what colors you guys want to see, and yeah, I'll go from there. Just let me know. So I forgot to record when I was at the mall, my friends. So the next clip that you guys are gonna see is the day after, when I go to install my exhaust. Yes, sir.
Oh my God, Brian!
It breaks out today, but I got the car on the jack. I was kind of scared at first, not gonna lie. It's kind of sketchy, but I got it on the jacks now, and about to remove the part where it connects to the catalytic converter and take the whole muffler out. Bro, y'all ever just be down here just thinking, literally just staring at the fucking shit you're doing? I just feel like that right now. Bullshit. I'm literally just chilling here, trying to take this shit out. It's pretty clean up here, but there's no rust whatsoever. Look at that. No rust. Little vibes. No rust. Yeah. Everything's pretty good. Look at the paint. Immaculate. But yeah, I'm trying to take out this hanger right here. I should remove the O2 sensor, and I gotta remove these two bolts right there. And then I'm just waiting on Chauncey to arrive. He's right now with Shorty. He's eating breakfast, but... Is that Elijah?
His car's low.
It looks like his.
No, it's not. It's bro. I remember I was behind his car once.
Yeah.
He scrapes, you see sparks.
Damn, that's how low he is. Alright, so right now we're about to go get some it's like more like, you know how the Civic Type R, like the 2020 and 2022s, they have like a lot of like sharp edges. Yeah, like the new ones, it doesn't have that. It's kind of like more smoother type shit. I don't know how to explain it.
Oh, I just realized too, I could use a SIM card from this for like my dash cam for some of my content.
Oh yeah, I was gonna tell you that, but I forgot. You can use this shit. Bro, this shit comes in clutch when you get into like accidents or some shit.
Yeah, that's what I got for this car.
You want to go from this end, or you want to hold that end? Yeah, this is pretty light.
No, it's way lighter.
Compared to the other one.
Bro, my arm after that day.
What?
I can still feel it.
You swear? Alright, beat up base. So shit on the weekends.
Little flat point.
Better be dumb, huh?
Little flat point.
Like this?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Nah, I tried to put it on and I was pushing, right? And the fucking thing went like into my finger. I think I popped the blood vessel. Then the stock one, bro. Dude. Way bigger. About to sound way better too. I think these are like, I think these tips are like 4-inch.
I don't know.
They look like it. And then yours looks like, yeah, yours looks like 3.5, somewhere there. Yeah, so he got the Snow God exhaust and I got the Skunk 2 exhaust with, and both test pipes.
What?
Look how much better it looks. Way better. And way louder too. I fuck with it. What, it feels good? Good. This took us mad long, bro. Because we went to like 3 different stores and they all didn't have the gaskets that we needed. So then we just, and even the one I did get, it was like, they said it was a girl. She was like, yeah, it'll fit. And then I go to put it on, it doesn't even fit. So now, bro, I put it on without the gasket on the test pipe, and then yeah, we're just gonna look for a better one later on, see if we can find the right one.
Yeah.
That's 2K RPM. Now I'm gonna go to 4.
Alright.
That's 4K.
That shit's clean.
Alright, now I'm gonna go to 6.
Alright.
Alright, now I'm going to 8. about to do a comparison. Alright, go ahead.
Probably step closer.
Like they're there. You feel me?
Okay. Well, we told them my name.
Nah, just be like what we're gonna do, where we're going.
Well, we're on our way to our aunt's house. It's her son's birthday, so we're making our way over there.
Yeah, we're just honestly, bro, we're just going for the food, bro.
We are just going for the food.
We're not even going just because it's his birthday, bro.
We're hungry.
Oh, bullshit, bro. I'm starving.
Yeah.
But yeah, the exhaust, the drone, it's not like horrible, but it's not like quiet. So I would say like a 1 through 10. The drone is like probably like a good like 5-ish, 4-ish, but it's not like bad. Like I can still hear my radio, I can still hear my music even when I'm still driving. So I don't know. 1 out of 10. The Skunk 2 exhaust, I would honestly rate it like a good 9, 8. Like it's up there. It's pretty good. But yeah, we just got here, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Thank y'all for watching, and I kind of forgot to make an outro, so I'm just doing it as I'm editing the video. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on that bell notification so you can get an alert whenever I drop. So yeah, thank y'all, and peace.